Hey guys, Mark and Swine here. If you're looking at this video, you want to know how you can get more leads, more sales, and more reps and maximize the compensation plan for your Wildtree business. And that means that you have the right mindset because network marketing is personal development with a product attached to it. The top earners have simply studied the craft. Be present on this video. I'm going to drop a lot of golden nuggets, reveal industry secrets rapid fire. No fluff, no time wasting, all facts. Saving the number one bonus for the very end. Stay tuned for instant results. I'm going to show you exactly how I went from being virtually unknown to becoming the number one lead generator in one of my companies. You're going to learn the best ways to generate leads online, even if you're currently unknown with virtually zero technical skill required. I'm going to show you my exact three-step strategy that I use to hit the leaderboard for recruiting and to hit the leaderboard for sales with another company. You're going to learn how to get a minimum of 100 or more highly qualified and highly targeted prospects to you within the next 30 days. So you never have to cold message people again. So you never have to chase people down. And this way, you could get highly qualified and targeted prospects of people who actually buy. So ultimately, you can start having the freedom and lifestyle that you dreamed of when you started this business in the first place. How many of you would like to have a business working for you instead of the other way around? You're going to get my exact YouTube Fast Start Blueprint and my exact Facebook Fast Start Blueprint. For YouTube, you want to identify the keyword that you want to go after. This is done by looking at what others have done who've already accomplished what you want to accomplish and creating similar updated content going after the same keywords. You're going to utilize a tool called TubeBuddy to help you to do this. This tool is going to allow you to go to the video that you want to replicate, create a video, click on the video, and copy the tags to a Word document. These tags you're going to use to rank on Google and YouTube to get more traffic to what you have to offer. You're going to create a coherent title with your keyword phrase, and your title should go after multiple keywords while still making sense. You're going to create a description that's 300 words in length and scatter your keywords throughout this description. Place your link at the top of the description. You're going to create a thumbnail using canva.com and save the thumbnail as your primary keyword. You don't want to reinvent the wheel. It's okay to be a copycat. Just copy the right cat. You don't want to copy word for word exactly what somebody said, but you want to create similar content that's 3 to 5 minutes long going after the same keywords. Use Open Broadcast System to share your screen and save the video as your keyword optimized title. For Facebook, you want to find out exactly where your target audience is hanging out. It's a common mistake to think your marketing is for everyone under the sun. Your message is not for everyone. If you're marketing to everyone, you're marketing to no one. You want to find out exactly where like-minded people are hanging out. And in this case, you're looking for network marketers. Once you find them, you want to reach out to them with a good first message. Hey Mary, I almost didn't reach out to you, but then I decided to anyways. I've been noticing the comments that you made on the Tony Robbins fan page, and I checked out your profile. We definitely have the same mindset when it comes to work ethic, so it would be great to connect. I would love to chat with you. What exactly do you do for work? By reaching out to people in this way, you'll start to build your audience. You want to engage with that audience on your timeline. You can do this by asking a question, a fill in the blank, I love my blank, quotes, engaging pictures, and blog posts. You want to make 5 to 10 new connections each day. The Tony Robbins fan page and Robert Kiyosaki fan pages are good places to start. You want to be consistent in these groups, and people will get to know you from your comments and comments on the posts of others as well. Your mindset should be around making connections and not closing prospects. You don't want to be the person in that group trying to pitch people. You want to post curiosity and not resistance. So that's 90% about personal and 10% about your business. The 10% about your business is going to be the results of others and your own results. 90% personal. Those are going to be pictures of yourself hanging out at the beach, hanging out with friends, pictures of food, inspirational quotes, and those kind of things. A good curiosity post is actually going to lead people to wanting more information. Here's a good example. This morning I made a great smoothie with apples, oranges, mangoes, green powder, almond milk, and I had energy all day long. People may say, hey, what's that green powder all about? And that green powder may have something to do with your business. Guys, I hope you got value from this. If you did, feel free to continue your education by clicking the link in the description. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll walk you through and hold your hand and show you exactly how I'm able to generate 10 to 20 red hot leads a day, where some people sign up into my business on autopilot. I want the same for you. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll show you where I no longer have to hunt down family and friends, blitz at the mall, and do those kind of things. Instead, become the hunted with some modern day marketing techniques. Go ahead and click that link. Hope you guys got value from this. I'll see you on the other side.